Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare
Ela fica no celular, ela não vem da mesma pessoa. Então você tem que fazer um gabarito e encher isso no ensinar primeiro. E ela não cola dentro porque ela não entende.
Aqui eu vou pôr funcionar assim, né? Um outro derrapão, aquele fosso, tá mais fácil lavar. Isso aqui é peça irregular, né? Eles separam, segunda, terceira. Aí pronto, tá por cima. Ela não vai ser pedra, não.
Yesterday, they like Kailash Katha? She told? Yeah? Huh?
Very funny.
Very funny, eh?
Yeah. Nice story.
They are saying their dog.
Baba.
Eh? Kaso. Well, who is this Kaso? Well, as like my father. Well, as like my father, your father. They said, this is bull, as like my father. Not your, as like not your father. Nice, eh?
Very nice.
Yeah. What is the conclusion? What is the conclusion of the Kailash story? Kailash story, conclusion is that conditioned soul, they attached with their wealth, money, wife, children. For this regard, again coming back in this material world in the form of different just shape of the body. Jang jang bapis maranang tajyante kalivaram sada tadbhava bhavitya kuntya. Krishna told to Arjuna, jang jang bapis maranang tajyante kalivaram. Tajyante kalivaram means one who about to give up his body, and what kinds of his things will come. Next birth he will get that the body. So jang jang bhapi smaranam tajyanti kalivaram. Smaranam, he will remember. Smaran means remembrance. When he will about to die, that time, according his asakti means attachment, deep attachment, and that time many film will come, many vision will come, and the vision will come in where? In the deep attachment. Which things is deep attachment? Asakti, that will settle. that things also has described in Srimad Bhagavatam the story of Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj, he gave up his household life. He was king of whole world, Sasagara Prithvi Raja. He gave up everything. And he went in the jungle, forest to perform bhajan and sadhana. Many years he performed bhajan and sadhana. And he attained his highest perfection also. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajanakriya, Anartha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, and then Bhavadasha. Very high stage. So, one day he was performing his bhajan and sadhana inside the cave of the mountain. Nearby also one very nice beautiful river is flowing and very nice sweet breeze coming. Nice. Nearby also very nice beautiful sweet forest fragrance are coming. Flowers fragrance are coming. So Bharat Maharaj, he completely absorbed to chant his holy names or do bhajan and sadhana. In the meantime, Bharat Maharaj, he noticed one pregnant deer, female deer, came and drinking the water from the river. Drinking water. In the meantime, one tiger just made the sound. Then female deer, pregnant female deer, she afraid. She jumped in the water of the river. But accidentally, she gave birth newborn baby deer. But baby deer also stayed on the bank of the river. Her body fell down in the strong current of the river and she flew away. Which way who does not know. The tiger noticed the deer and female deer, she jumped in the water, but the tiger left away that place. Then Bharat Maharaj, he noticed when tiger went out from the place, then the new baby deer completely helpless. Understand? And looking here and there. So Bharat Maharaj's heart melted. Bharat Maharaj, he came and brought that the new baby deer in his ashram and nourishment to her. So new baby deer, she is staying in the ashram of Bharat Maharaj. Now Bharat Maharaj, most of the time he spent to nourishment the new baby deer. How to eat, how to sleep, and all is. So attachment is coming. If you love someone, that is automatically what? Attached. When Bharat Maharaj, he used to go take bath in the river, also baby deer, and chasing behind him, tuk 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 tuk, and making sound, very close. And even Bharat Maharaj, he worshipped Thakurji and chanted Gayatri mantra, meditate to Lord. Then baby deer sitting on his lap. Look this thing. Because this is the nature of all the living entities' nature. If you love someone, then love someone means is what? Attachment. When Burma chanting his Gayatri mantra, then baby deer sitting on his lap. then baby deer nature, with his mouth kissing. Hey, that means you want to speak with me. Eh? And that time, sometimes also baby deer with his, what is called, tongue, lick his body. Eh? You have seen or not? If you have dog, very easy to do. Sometimes also Bharat Maharaj, when he is sitting, then two legs he put on his shoulder, jumping here and there, eating, sleeping, sometimes stooling, and passing urine this way. Sometimes Bharat Maharaj worships with Thakurji, then baby deer coming very close and contaminated the Thakurji's plates. Then Bharat Maharaj chastised, hey, get here. When chastisement, then baby deer afraid and shedding tears. Then Bharat Maharaj again taking back and pacified. Then again baby deer and laughing and jumping here and there. In this way, few months passed. Bharat Maharaj, now his mind is absorbed with deer. Look this. How is powerful Maya. Muktai ropi Maya bandhanam. Even those who are Mukta Purush, how Maya, she is very tricky and controlled. Bharat Maharaj, he is chanting holy names or doing sadhana bhajan, but still baby deer. Sometimes in his dream also coming. Baby deer coming and making sound and wake up, wake up, wake up. Sometimes baby deer sleeping on his also bed. So much attachment in this. One day, some others deer came, flock of deers, flock of deer, they came from the jungle. The nature of this is what? Animals or their birds, if they get their own
group.
Same group, they like to meet with them. So now baby deer meet with the others deer, those who have come from the jungles, meeting with them. Then also going with them, coming night time, about sunset, darkness coming, but baby deer did not come back, return back. Then Bharat Maharaj mind very disturbed, anxious and anxiety coming. Oh, maybe another tiger has come, because he noticed how the tiger made the roaring. His mother, her mother, remember this thing. So where is the tiger? Where is the baby deer? Then he could not find out. Then he climbed to the top of the mountain. Okay, maybe little bit far. If I see, then I return back, take back. But so much absorbed, Bharat Maharaj so much absorbed with the baby. Looking. But the mountain sometimes is water falling down, and so many also what is called, and green, what is called? Moss. What is called? Green moss, not moss. That's the thing. The slippery, very slippery. You have seen or not? Little bit but he absorbed with why the deer. He did not give attention his feet. Then he, maybe 20 meters, top of the mountain, he fell down. Then he left his body. Because he absorbed with the baby deer. And jang bapi smaranam tajante kalevaram. And Bharat Maharaj, he chanted holy name, do bhajan and sadhan many years. and coming in the stage of half dasha, and now he what body has gone? Hey, what body did he receive? What body? Dear body. Next birth, he also dear body. Because Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita gives this evidence. Jang jang bhapi smaranam tajjante kalevaram sadadhan. Anto kale cha mang smaranam. Krishna again also explained, one who performed bhajan and sadhan at the time of his end, one who remembered to me and left body, then he attained my abode. Anto kale cha mang smaranam tajjante kalevaram. Madhamam mapnayoti. So, here Bharat Maharaj is the body of deer. Look, just 2 fingers, far from to attain to Lord, but now going to her body. Human body to coming to deer body. Look. But without human body, you can to attain to Lord also. So for this regard, human body is very, very rare. And this is the doorway. Doorway, understand? To attain to Lord. The only human body you can attain to Lord. For this regard, Lord is very merciful. He gives us human body what? How to attain to Lord? Just 2 fingers. Far from we are Lord. Not very far. Because only human body you can do bhajan and sadhan and how to attach with Lord. God created man after his own image. For this regard, Bible has written. A God, he creates the many pieces of the birds, animals, others. But he did not satisfy. Why? Because cat's body, dog's body, bird's body, animal's body, you cannot attain to Lord. They are only suffering, they are fruit of action, karma fall. Our human body means is what? You do bhajan and sadhana. You get association with sadhu. With the association with sadhu, then bhakti will manifest in your heart. Krishna bhakti janma mool hoy sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna bhakti, that is called sadhu sangha. Or with the association sadhu sangha, then bhakti devi will manifest in your heart. There are no any other process to receive bhakti. Bhakti will come only the association of sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, sadhu sangha, sarva shastri kai, lavmatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi hoy. So now coming to Bharat Maharaj, now he is the body of deer. But he attained highest stage. Which stage? Bhavadasha. For this regard, according by the Yogamaya, he remembered his previous life. Could you remember your previous life?
No.
What life? You remember which life? Only this life. This body you can remember. You cannot remember your previous life. Understand? But I tell you, previous life you where been? पिछले साल में तुम क्या था? तुलसीदास जी also has written, where have you come from? Everybody is coming from 3 places. Tulsidas is saying this. Some is coming from heavenly planet, Sargaloka. Or some people they are coming from Narak Loka. Or some people they are coming from this material world, human body. So how do you know where he has come? What is your previous life? Tulsidas also very nicely explained in Ramcharitmanas, if you read it. Then you can recognize yourself. So Tulsidas actually explained these things will be depend on your svabhav. Svabhav means nature. Well, what nature? Sattik nature, Rajasic nature and Tamasic nature. Where have you come from? If you have Sattik nature, nature of
Mode of goodness.
Mode of goodness, then you have come from
Heaven.
heaven, sarga loka, sattva, saucha, daya, pavitrata, astikka. Actually, all these are called devatas gunas. The gunas, the qualification of
Demigod.
demigod. Sattva, truthfulness, saucha, always cleanliness, daya, merciful to them, and astikka, faith with Guru and Krishna. That's astik means Vishwas. Understand? Vishwas means faith with Guru and Krishna. That is all these good qualities. Sattva, saucha, daya, astikka, good qualifications. That is called mode of
Goodness.
goodness. Sattva, saucha. Yeah. So that means, and those who are very humble and give the compassion to the others living entities and helping the people. Many people they are helping, charity, donation, and love and affection. That is called his what? Sattva-guna. Sattva-guna people, that means they has come from
Sargaloka.
Sarga-loka. Rajasic guna, mood of
Passion.
passion. There is ahankar. Ahankar means egoistic. I am doer. I do this way. I want to control. Understand? Their finger always this stage. not the band. When they don't want to anugatta. Anugatta means guidance.
Yeah.
They don't do. So much also are Rajaguna. Understand? Many people they are very Rajaguna. So that means he is coming from where? This material world, human body. Because this is the nature. Or Tamaguna, mood of ignorance, that is what? They are very, what is it called? Anger. And aggressive mood. Understand? And drinking alcohol, stupid nonsense, rascal, lusty desires, and doing many bad things also. And all the bad things coming from tamaguna, the mood of ignorance. And some people are very angry. And angry and aggressive. Understand? Their face will never see the smile face. Always, and so they are so Tulsidas explained Ramcharit Manas, and you think he has come from Naraka. Understand? Narak Jantrana. He suffered in the Narak for the same activities come. But you are Sattva, Raja, Tamasic gunas, no problem. But if you chant holy names, then you will become, what is that? Nirguna. Nirguna means what? Beyond of all kinds of mood. That means one should chant holy names. Then he will attain beyond of Sattva, Raja and Tamaguna. Nirgun. So if you chant holy names, you become his what? What you will become? Nirguna. And again you will not go Narak or human, what is called material world, and not go also Sargaloka. You will go in where? Golok, Vrindavan, Bhagavad Dham, they attain. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna very clearly also explained this way. Tarigunna Visa Veda, Naisturgunna Bhavarjuna. Tarigunna Visa Veda. Vedas also discuss with three gunas. Katha. Rajasic, Tamasic, Sattvic guna katha is there. But you have to become Naisturgunna. Naisturgunna means where you beyond of three modes of Maya. How? Always remember to Lord, to bhajan and sadhan. How to absorb with bhajan and sadhan. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And if we chant holy names, then it will be good. Eh? Guru Seva, Bhagavad Seva, Nam Seva. We are using this word, Vaishnava using this word, which word?
Seva.
Seva. Seva and to serve. Sometimes you don't chant holy names. What do you do? Serve holy names. Nam Seva. Answer. What are you? Nam Seva. And then don't eat prasad. Don't eat prasad. What do you do? Prasad Seva. We have Vaishnava Vidya use this word Seva. Every word is Seva. Seva actually when the service coming, Seva means service. Service is coming with love and affection. Mamata. Mamata understand? Mamata means possessiveness. Mamata. How mother she loves her baby, possessiveness. Mamata. Every service you have to impose. And in the beginning, impose. Arop, impose with your mamata. Mamata understand? Possessiveness. Even you cut the fruits with mamata. This fruits belongs to Krishna Seva. So you very clearly and clean the fruits. Sometimes I am looking, their devotees are not clean the fruits. They give me the fruits and sometimes also have rotten. I sometimes say, hey, stupid nonsense rascal. How possible Thakurji will accept your offering? Sometimes they say, what is it called? That fruits you are giving?
Fig. Fig.
Pigs. They are not cutting proper way. Two sides are not cutting, not looking. There's some rotten or not, some insects or not. Not just to offer. Gurudev take it. Guru is not the cow. Guru is not Guru. If the Guru is cow, maybe he will eat what he will eat. You have to, because you have no mamata. If you have mamata, then every single of the fruits very nicely washed. As like our devotee Chaitanya Bhagavat, one devotee. What is his name? He has so much love and affection with his Thakurji. When he worshipped Thakurji, and then he, every single of the fruits, he cleaned and washed and offered Thakurji. One day, one devotee, he brought one, what is his name? Sometimes we also use this, his katha. Just remember.
Coconut.
Coconut.
That some dust goes down there.
Yeah. Brought one coconut and was, then he offered, then he put the coconut on the doorway of the Thakurji. Then he become very angry and throw this coconut. Why? Because you put the coconut here, and many people walking here and there, their dust, food dust will come. How Thakurji will come? Look this. Because so much mamata. If you, how to serve your son, baby, very carefully. No dust, no germ. Very carefully you feed your baby. In the same way, you serve to Guru and Krishna with mamata. These things. What is the devotee's name? Just I forget. Chaitanya. Raghav Pandit. Yeah, maybe Raghav Pandit. Sometimes he said, when his mamata with Thakurji ate everything. His plate completely what? Empty. Sometimes he offered the coconut. Here you also explain Chaitanya Amrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat. Sometimes the water completely what? Empty. Then Thakurji drank. Then he is very happy. Then after, then he saw that coconut water in completely full. Thakurji again ate and returned back his Mahaprasad. As like Raj Govardhan, all Brajavasi they offered all their preparation, and Giriraj Govardhan ate everything. And all plate completely hot, empty. And Giriraj also told, bring, more, Anori. And when we were going to the Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama Kudmahamatsa, Anori, bring, more. And then all Brajavasi, they are happy. And Krishna told the Brajavasi, look, you worship Indra, but Indra did not accept your offering. Have you seen? Indra direct ate your offering? No. Let it, Giriraj Govardhan, direct ate all your offering? Yes, Krishna, what you are saying, this is perfect truth. Absolute truth. Actually, who is Giriraj Govardhan? Krishna manifested himself, one form of Giriraj Govardhan, eating everything. Or one form, he is staying with his parents, Nanda and Jasoda and Brajavasis. Then Brajavasis, they are very happy. They realize Krishna what is saying, this is the absolutely truth. Then Brajavasi, again they also were brought different kinds of preparation, and Krishna ate it. And Giriraj Govardhan ate everything. And again saying, Anori. Then Krishna is thinking, oh my Brajavasi, they are now very tired. Now about 3 o'clock. They are tired. 3 a.m. they wake up and they preparation now 3 p.m. 12 hours. They are also hungry, they are also very tired. Fatigueness coming. Then Krishna told, hey Giriraj Govardhan, please give mercy, my Brajavasis. And you satisfied? Because your stomach will be never full. Because your stomach is Ananta. Your name is Ananta. Your all his activities also Ananta. Ananta means is what? Fathomless, bottomless. Nama Ananta. All your Leelas also Ananta. So, how Brajavasi can fulfill your stomach? Even Mother Jasoda cannot fulfill your stomach. Krishna is sucking the breast of Mother Jasoda, or Krishna is sucking, or Krishna's stomach is not full. Because Krishna's name is also Ananta. Our Mother Jasoda breast milk also has Ananta. Competition is going on. Krishna's stomach and Mother Jasoda breast milk. Both of them. Sometimes you also explain this. So in this way Krishna told, hey Brajavasi, hey Giriraj Govardhan, my Brajavasi, they are very poor. Please give him mercy. Take water from Manasi Ganga. Or Surabhi Kunda di. Then Giriraj Govardhan drank. Thousand hands. He took the water from Manasi Ganga, Jamuna, and drank everything. Then he goes, I am very satisfied. Then again Krishna is saying, how my Brajavasi will be. Then again Giriraj Govardhan manifested all his preparation. Then Krishna told, look how Giriraj Govardhan is very merciful. He ate everything and he gives us remnants to us. What will do now? Brajavasi, they asked, all we take the remnants of Giriraj and take prasad. Then Krishna and all Brajavasi distributed this Mahaprasad. After Mahaprasad, then Krishna told, we have to do Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. Balo Giriraj Maharaj ki. Then Krishna is very tricky. One form he is in front with Nanda Jasoda, and another form he manifests in the form of Giriraj. Okay. Then Brajavasi. Same way Raghav Pandit. Raghav Pandit is very happy when Thakurji ate all his prasad, offering his prasad or water of the coconut. Very happy. Malo Giriraj Maharaj ki jai. Raghav Pandit ki jai. When Suddha Bhakta offering, then Thakurji ate everything. Bhakte Drabba Prabhu Kari Kari Khai, Abhakte Drabba Prabhu Uloti Na Chai. Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur. When Suddha Bhakta offered, then Thakurji accepts. And we cannot offer to Thakurji. Who offers Thakurji? Gurupad Padma. Gurudev, just I am assist to Gurudev to offering. You don't think I am offering. Who is offering? Gurudev. For the Gayatri mantra, Guru mantra is there. Jo mantra sa Guru. You are chanting Guru mantra, Krishna mantra. That means the mantra of this Dhishthatri Devata accepts. Eh? So in this way, we serve to Thakurji with mamata. And so now coming in this way, Bharat Maharaj, he remembered his previous life because he attained in the stage of Bhavadasa. For this he remembered. He did not forget. Eh? Oh, I was king and gave up my household life and do bhajan and sadhan and attain in the stage of Bhavadasa, but accidentally I attached with baby deer. Now I am coming baby deer. Eh? Then he repented his own activities and already studying. Eh? But the special baby deer. Bharat Maharaj, now he is one special deer. What is the special deer? He did not stay others deer. Where the Santa Mahatma, Srimad Bhagavata very nicely explained. Santa Mahatma is saying, he used to come there and listen their Harikatha, but cannot understand. Transcendental vibration coming from the sadhus. So Frajika Sanatana Goswami Pad explain, if you don't know understand the language of sadhu, if you do not understand the sadhu's Harikatha, but you sit, because the vibration, transcendental vibration enter in the ears. And you read Sanatana Goswami Pad Brihad Bhagavatamritam, this chapter is called Mahat Sangha Prabhavo, the influence of the association of sadhu, Mahat Sangha Prabhavo. Very nice. Many pages, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he explained sadhu Sangha Mahima. The influence of the association of sadhu. Even if sadhu not speak Harikatha, if you sit, well, what benefit will come? But some vibration of a bhajan and sadhan and coming in your body. Because as like the, what is called? The, what is called?
Flu.
Flu. You know flu? And if you have some, if you're very close to someone, then that germs automatically, very quickly the flu spread. Even in the same way, Mahat Sangha and is this way. And but if your heart is neat and clean, no duplicity, no hypocrisy, very easy to attain the Bhavadasha. And or if you have offense, then again chanting holy name, servicing Guru, Vaishnavas, then when your heart will be neat and clean, then sadhus, bhakti, germs of the bhakti. Sanatana Goswami Pad explained, germs of the bhakti and flow, reflected your body and mind and your heart and attain the Suddha Bhakti. But what to do bhajan and sadhan? Just associate sadhu and you attain Prema Bhakti. Mahato Sangha Prabha. For this reason, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained, there are 5 limbs of bhakti. And Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavat Sravan, Muthravas, Simurti Shraddha Sevam. And Shraddhastu Dure Opi. Even we have no faith. And he is sadhu or not, no faith. But if you sit in front of the sadhu, Bhavaka Janmuke, well, how do you say to Shraddha? Very easy to attain. Where? Bhavadasa. But he has no Shraddha, how possible to attain Bhavadasa? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, again also he made this question. Even he has no Shraddha. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajanakriya, Anartri, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav. But here saying, Shraddhastu Dure Opi.
Where is saying this? Where is saying this?
Pardon?
Where is
Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Rupa Goswami Pad has written. Even Chaitanya Chaitamrita, this sloka also there. Shraddhastu Dure Opi. Mahata Sangha Pravana Bhavaka Janmake. But he has no Shraddha, just sit in front of sadhu. He attained Bhavadasa. Well, yes, Mahata Sangha Prabhavo. The influence of Mahat. Sadhu Sangha not depend on anything. Sadhu Sangha just depend on your what?
No offense.
No offense. If you have no offense, aparad, the sadhu sangha very quickly affect. Understand? There is that. Or if you have no effect not quickly coming, then you think you have some offense. So what will do? Free from the offense, you chanting holy name, servicing Guru and Vaishnava, then slowly, step by step, slowly means step by step, Saddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajan, Kriyan, Trinishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Dasa you will attain. Gaur Premanandi. Oh, some devotees also. Lesson devotee will take Harinam. Eh?
Just one thing, I know you told that Bharat Maharaj is not, this story is not, I mean, it's just an example because he attained Bhavadash. You told another day.
Bharat Maharaj, he attained in Bhavadash.
Yeah, so it's not, it's like Loka Shiksha, right?
But he is two these areas. Loka Shiksha, teaching of that, but also the Mahat Sangha. And how the conditional soul they attach with the many things also.
Yeah,
And Maya Bijirmita Lila, Jugmayasi arranged this way. But Maharaj he did not fall down. It is impossible. But according to Loka Shiksha also, are also possible.
what should have he do? Because the
You do. You chant holy names, serve Guru and Vaishnava, and give up all kinds of offense.
But I mean, in that case that he saw the baby deer helpless, he should not have. He should not have gone there.
No, you have to come not attached. Attachment is the cause of the bondage.
Oh, okay.
You serve to everybody, this is true,
Okay.
but should not attach. Mamattama sloka janesu sakham sangsara chakra bhrametu sa karmabhi tanmayato asakta chittasu nanato bhuvat. Vitrasura also says, maybe I can stay with my family's wife, children, everything, but I should not attach with them. Asakti is the cause of the bondage. Understand? You can serve to everybody. And serve your wives, serve your children, serve your dog, deer, everything. Cats, dogs, everything, no how. But should not attach. You think everything belongs to Krishna. Attachment is called. These three attachment is coming from where? Three ways. Sattik, Rajasic and Tamasic. Three dogs again come. Today you speak. Three dogs katha. How the three dogs of the attachment, Sattik, Rajasic and Tamasic, Maya three gunas. They are giving heavy punishment to the human being. Gaur Premanandi. You speak Portuguese. Maybe they don't understand. Everybody understand or no? She did not understand. Understand? Almost. You understand? Okay. I'm going to the